जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने आया पैसा. Everybody unanimously told me that Kashish, you were right. You weren't wrong. I wasn't a love connection, so I had no reason to not be selfish. पैसे अभी आए नहीं है, अभी no controversy ना.
अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके।
You drive your own car. I एक साल पहले तक we are a family could not purchase a car. We purchased it last year. You being a 24-year-old guy are driving your own car, so let's not go there. Our talent is going to Big Boss. Why didn't she tell you? Kashish, you're going to Big Boss. Why didn't you tell us? And I'm like, who is going to Big Boss? Why don't you tell me? People who fight online actually call each other and laugh about it and say, ज्यादा तो नहीं बोल दिया, बुरा तो नहीं लग गया, तू जानता है ना मैंने क्यों बोला. भाई मैं इसको मारूंगा. He lives 2 house away from you. Go and maro.
Hello and welcome to News 18 Shosha. I am Kashvi and today I have with me Splitsvilla X5's Kashish Kapoor. She's taken over the internet. She is all everybody can talk about right now. Hi Kashish, how are you?
Hi Kashvi, I'm good, thank you.
Kashish, now that the show is over and everybody's
Yeah,
finally seen everything, how are you really doing now?
I'm doing great.
Yeah?
I am doing great. I was a little upset for the first 2 days, but
Hmm.
then that's it. I mean, I didn't commit a crime. At the end of the day, I made a decision for myself, and I had my valid reasons. I was happy. Then I'm happy now. I was only sad because of the way it made the other partner feel, which I completely understand and empathize with, and I still feel sad for that. But other than that, I'm doing good, and the hate doesn't really matter to me anymore. It was only the misunderstanding part which was bothering me, that I don't want people who actually like me, who are expecting things from me, to be disappointed in me. So I cleared that part out, and now I'm good.
Great. So, like you said, the hate doesn't bother you. So, after the show got over, you must have anticipated some of it, if not all of it. So, did you prepare
Oh
yourself
yeah.
in any way for what was going to come your way?
You know, when I say hate doesn't bother me that much, it is because the very first episode I started getting hate. The very
Right.
first episode I had this big argument and the dome thing. And जब लोगों को बाकी contestants का नाम नहीं पता था, वो कशिश कपूर के बारे में hate videos बना रहे. So the hate doesn't really get to me. But हाँ, इस decision के बाद जो होने वाला था, I was sort of preparing. Like I knew कि this is going to be my doomsday. So like prepare yourself mentally. But the volume that came, that bothered me कि इतने कम टाइम में इतना ज्यादा. एंड वहां तक भी चलो ठीक था. The last nail was where, like, yesterday my father called me and he wasn't doing very well, and he was very worried कि so many calls, texts. Apparently see, इंटरनेट पे हर कोई शर्लॉक होम्स है. समटाइम्स आई फील अगर ये सारे इंटरनेट के लोग एफबीआई और रॉ और सीबीआई ज्वाइन कर ले, तो हमारा देश सारे क्राइम सॉल्व कर देगा, बिकॉज दीज गाइज आर डिटेक्टिव. तो इन्होंने मेरे भाई की आईडी निकाली, मेरी मम्मी की निकाली, मेरे पापा की निकाली, मेरे मौसी की निकाली. नाउ अपेरेंटली दीज गाइज स्टार्टेड टेक्सटिंग and giving like really nasty hate to my mom and dad and my brother, and started calling me. चलो मुझ तक है तो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, और पापा पे हुआ है तो वो मुझे खुद से तो बताएंगे नहीं. तो मम्मी ने कॉल किया मुझे एंड शी वाज लाइक, बेटा पापा का बीपी बढ़ता जा रहा है, हिज बीपी शॉट टुडे. एंड आई एम लाइक, क्या हुआ? कह रही उनका ब्लड प्रेशर शूट हो गया, ही इज जस्ट नॉट डूइंग वेल. एंड आई वाज लाइक, साला जिसके लिए मैं इतना हेट झेल रही हूँ, सब कुछ कर रही हूँ, अगर उन्हीं को इस हेट से ऐसा हो जाएगा, then अब मैं क्या करूँ? So no matter how strong I am, I have one weakness, which is my family. So don't go there. So
Right.
that was the part that I did not prepare myself for. बाकी मुझ पे तो जो आ रहा है, it's fine. I'm good.
I'm so glad that you're taking it so strongly. Um,
Yeah.
so there was this part in the show where you had this conversation with Digvijay in the room कि जो winner होगा वो तो 10 लाख कमा ही लेगा. So in
Yeah.
that moment, take us through that moment. Did you already know तब तक कि you're going to take the money, or were you still
No.
conflicted उस time तक?
I was still conflicted. अभी जब मैं अपने आप को एपिसोड में देख रही हूँ, तो see, I have a very expressive face. अब अगर तुम इसके पीछे कोई बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक लगा दोगे ना, तो कंप्लीटली मतलब चेंज हो जाता है. तो आई वाज वाचिंग माय सेल्फ एंड आई एम लाइक, जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने आया पैसा. बट मैं तब तक तो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. तो जो मेरे और दिग्विजय का डिस्कशन था, दैट वाज वेरी ओरिजिनल, वेरी जेन्युइन. और अगर मेरे मन में ये बात होगी कि मैं पैसे लेने वाली हूँ, तो मैं अपने मुंह से ये चीजें थोड़ी बोलूंगी ताकि कल को जाकर के लोग इसकी रीले काट दे और मैं हिपोक्रेट निकल जाऊं. सो नो, अंटिल देन दी थॉट्स वर रियल कि हाँ खेलते हैं, लेट्स गो फॉर द फिनाले. whatever happened after that, मैंने और सोचा और contemplate किया. I got more reasons. बात की बात है that those were also true, but that one segment that you all saw was true. And if some people will still come out to me and say कि no, it was not true, you were lying, you were manipulating, अगर अभी भी वो यही बोलेंगे, then you must applaud my manipulating skills. That's all I'm saying.
So, when you announced on set that you're going to choose money over the finale, what was the atmosphere on the set in that moment?
Oh, it was like Ekta Kapoor serial. Dharam, dharam, dharam. 3 times zoom. Oh God. Oh God. I just knew that I have to bring forward my strongest self, my most pokerest of the poker face, and I just have to be there against all odds. Because the moment I said, and I knew kya hone wala, I was like, oh God, money. And people were like, that was the first reaction. But uske baad, when I explained them my part and my reason, then everybody unanimously told me that Kashish, you were right. You weren't wrong. Like, we feel bad for him, but
Right.
we don't feel badly for you. We understand your reasons, and those were very genuine. And plus, as Sar also said, and other people also in that moment, I wasn't a love connection. So I had no reason to not be selfish. So if I was selfish, it's absolutely fine. They were all with me.
Right. So, Abhi, recently you said that you were sort of nudged into choosing money because you were told कि प्यार का show है, प्यार जीतेगा, and उसके बाद so much speculation has happened that it's a scripted show and the producers are being blamed now. And so, what is your take on that now?
I have said this 100 times and I'll say it again. It's not scripted,
Right.
but it is edited. So it
Hmm.
is reality. It is 100% reality, but it is fragments of reality. So people who can actually understand this statement will understand what I'm trying to say. It is reality, but it is fragments of reality. It's not the entire reality. And of course, I can never say ki they made me do it. I will always say that I was nudged, I was influenced perhaps, but at the end of the day, it was my decision. Nobody had a gun to my head. So I cannot just shy away from the consequence and the responsibility. No, whatever be the reason, I did it. It was my decision.
So, this whole conversation about how much the producers are actually involved with the contestants, ये बहुत अभी 1-2 seasons पहले से ही ऐसे बहुत openly सब लोग बोलने लगे हैं. So, how often do you interact with the production? क्या advice मिलती है?
I don't know what you're talking about. I have no information regarding this. It is brand new news for me. What are you saying?
Okay, ठीक है. You don't have to answer that question.
Thank you. कि पैसे अभी आए नहीं है, अभी no controversy.
अच्छा, okay.
I'm kidding. I'm only kidding you.
Okay, तो जब आपने बताया कि आपको मनी चूज करना है, so what was your first conversation with Digvijay that happened on set? And when did it happen? Didn't happen.
No conversation. No.
Okay.
After I said what I said, we had no conversation. We had a first conversation after Splitsvilla got over, and I was traveling to Thailand. So मैं कसौल से वापस आई थी, and I was in Delhi for a night, and that night we partied together, all of us. Like, I was there along with Sachin, Lakshay, Swastika, Unnati, Digvijay. There we met. Obviously, it was a little awkward,
Right.
but we said hi, hello, and then he asked me to do something for him, and I did that for him. Then we were in the same party, and that's it. That was our first encounter. उसके बाद तो मुंबई में मिलते रहते थे क्योंकि we have the same circle, so we've interacted a couple of times.
So after the show came out, looking at the VDs, the part where he mentioned his rent and your rent, and then he questioned your decision, उस पे क्या reaction था आपका?
I was so mad, like not mad at him, mad at myself first of all,
Yeah.
because see, flow में मैंने भी बहुत ही एक wrongly framed sentence दिया था. But I not justified, like I explained it in the VDs. They cut my VD. And then I asked everybody, listen, I did not mean that. वो just heat of the moment में गलती से wrongly framed sentence निकले काट देना. But these guys know how to make तिल का तार. तो उसी पे उसका VD लिया. And it is honestly your decision how you want to spend your money. I have never claimed that I am poor or something. No. Touch wood, I am very good to go. I have always, with reasons, explained that I have come from a not so well-to-do background, but I am doing great for myself, and it is because of the tough decisions I make today. I don't know where people misunderstood. They just decided, chalo isko nitpick karte hain. Let's not listen to the first sentence, only pick the second sentence. And let's say aaj ki time pe, for me, the most important thing is living nicely. So I am living however I want to. You are from whatever background, you want to spend however, you want to live however is yours. You cannot compare that to me and say that my needs are not justified. उस हिसाब से I can compare a lot of things. You drive your own car. I एक साल पहले तक we are a family could not purchase a car. We purchased it last year. You being a 24-year-old guy are driving your own car. So let's not go there. I mean, I can bring out 10 reasons that will actually explain where I come from. So picking up just this one point and doing that, I felt it just undermines where I come from or where I meant. So, I mean, not like I can blame it on him. It was his answer. But eventually how it turned out, and it undermines my problem. So
Right.
that I did not like, but I can't really blame him for that.
So now, since the two of you are all that everyone can talk about, there's also talk that you are going to be in Big Boss. And I'm sure you've also heard this so many times. So, do you want to be?
Yeah. Yesterday, I'll tell you a funny story what happened. So I'm with this agency, they handed me, and my manager called me yesterday, and she's like, the owner of my agency, the owner of our agency called, and he's like, our talent is going to Big Boss. Why didn't she tell you? Kashish, you're going to Big Boss. Why didn't you tell us? And I'm like, who is going to Big Boss? Why don't you tell me? Because I have no idea. I don't know कहाँ से ये शुरू हुआ है. I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. I'm just as clueless as you are. I am waiting for my alter ego, who apparently does all of this conversation, to answer me. Ki Kashish, when are you going to Big Boss?
So, if I'm not wrong, you're from a small town in Bihar, right? Huh.
Yeah.
So from there to becoming so popular on a nationally televised show, what does this fame mean to you? And how does it feel like?
Surreal. Surreal. Like, surreal. I mean, like yesterday I was watching some interview and someone very normally said कि 10 लाख कौन सी बड़ी बात है यार, अभी कमा लेगी. And I was just talking to my childhood friends कि, just the thought that you can say it कि 10 लाख कौन सी बड़ी बात है
Right.
is the difference between you and me. This is the difference, because I could never say that. I've never seen that much money in the same time. So I can never say that, but you said that. So that is the difference between us. And knowing what I have done, where I have come from, with no amenities, nothing, no contacts, no. Like my father tells me, beta, forget what happens after this. Maybe you don't do Big Boss. Maybe you don't do any movies. Maybe you don't do nothing. You just do what you're doing right now. इतना भी जो तुमने किया है is a big deal. Because none of us could do that. Nobody from our family can do that. From our Gaon Samaj can do that. Nobody's even thought of doing that. And you're doing it. Like, maybe for a brief moment, maybe all of this fame, maybe all of this is temporary. It will go away eventually. But to even reach here is something. And
Right.
not everybody could do. And non-roadie, non-ex connection, no outside drama, no conflict as such. And yet, as you mentioned, talk of the town. I mean, so much so that I am doing interviews with NDTV and News 18 and Times, and that is something that I can only think of.
Right.
And today I am here. The worst, I mean, you are interviewing me. So that means I am something in today's time. And like, it doesn't sink into me. मेरे लिए तो आज भी मुझे को बोलता है कि कैसा लगता है कि मैंने तो कुछ उखाड़ा ही नहीं है ब्रो, मुझे कैसा लगेगा. I'm the same person I was 2 years ago. Nothing has happened, nothing has changed. But others look at me like, no, something has changed. So yeah, that is just surreal, dude.
You mentioned that as a non-roadie, you became so talked about. I was just going to ask you, so you and Harsh particularly, for novice reality TV contestants, you all came across as very strategic and clever in that sense. तो preparation करा था कुछ या just naturally?
I mean, हर्ष का मैं नहीं बोल सकती, but मेरे लिए तो it was a reality show. I was supposed to be real, and I'm naturally in reality clever and smart and strong. So you just saw the reality.
Amazing. So, have you been to your hometown after the finale aired? What is the response there?
After the finale, no.
No.
No, not yet. For two reasons. First of all, तो घर जाना is a big task. क्योंकि डायरेक्ट एयरपोर्ट तो है नहीं कि मैं यहाँ से फ्लाई करूँ वहां उतर जाऊं. ट्रेन से जाऊंगी तो 4 दिन लगेंगे, और ट्रेन तो अब मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. नहीं, उतना तो अब मेरे भाव बढ़ गए. अब फ्लाइट्स ओनली. क्या बोलते हैं, अब इतने पैसे कमा लिए हैं, अब मैं सिर्फ फ्लाइट लेती हूँ. तो और दिक्कत क्या है ना कि मेरे घर पे, क्योंकि एज आई मेंशन डायरेक्ट एयरपोर्ट नहीं है, और बागडोगरा की टिकट्स बहुत महंगी आती है ब्रो। लाइक दिल्ली मुंबई 4,000 5,000। मैं लास्ट टाइम अपने घर गई थी, मुझे 12,000 और 18,000 की टिकटें पड़ जाती है, तो इट्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। तो एक तो उस कारण से मन नहीं करता। दूसरा, बागडोगरा उतरो, वहां से फिर 5 घंटे मुझे बाय रोड ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है घर जाने के लिए। सो इट्स जस्ट क्वाइट अ hassle। तो एक तो वो रीजन था। और
Hmm.
दूसरा था कि व्हेन ऑल ऑफ दिस वाज हैपनिंग, I was somewhere or the other, for whatever reason, I was a little taken aback, little weak.
Right.
And I cannot show that side of me to my parents. Na, ki suno, मैं इतनी कमजोर हूँ. Because they will always say, ki, you don't have to come back. We will take care of you. But I
Hmm.
have left my house to take care of them. I cannot just go back because one day I took a step back. I have to be my strong self now. So that when I go home, I will go home to take care of you. I will not be somebody that you have to look after.
Right.
So I will just give that time to myself.
Okay, so I have a very short rapid fire round for you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Your favorite contestant on the show?
Kashish Kapoor.
No, besides you.
This is such a difficult question. You should never ask me anybody anything that is not including me. But
Okay.
apart from me, who did I like? गेम वाइज, लाइक गेम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, या
Yeah,
फिर
yeah.
मैं तो उनको पर्सनली जानती हूँ, तो उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से या गेम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से?
दोनों बता दो।
बिकॉज योर हीरोज माइट बी माई विलन्स।
दोनों
सो
बता दो।
लेट्स नॉट गो ऑन। पब्लिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगी। पब्लिक का हीरो भी मेरा हीरो है, मैं नहीं बोल रही कुछ। तो बट मुझसे पूछा जाएगा तो आई लाइक हर्ष।
Hmm.
Because definitely very cocky, very loud, very arrogant and all that. But people say the same about me as well. And वो भी non-roadie था. And he was a finalist. And like, he was safe most domes.
Yeah.
And मेरे अलावा everybody was scared of him.
Hmm.
मेरे अलावा, key point. But था, so yeah, I would give it to
Right.
him, Harsh.
Okay. Who are you closest to today?
Shubhi.
Okay. One uh, friendship duo that seems fake to you outside of the show.
You can just play that background music. हो तुम्हें ऐसी बात मैं छुपा के चली आई right now, because I know the ground reality of so
Right.
many of these friendships. But now I understand when Bollywood celebs go on talk shows and media shows, and I am like, why are they not honest? Why don't they say the answers? Now I understand why they don't say the answers. So I have the answers, but I will not give it.
Okay, ठीक है, great. So, had you played with Addy till the end, would you have chosen money or finale?
Question should be, had he not betrayed you, what would have
Yeah.
done? Because he did betray me. So if I do something now, it would be like tit for tat.
Right.
Otherwise, if I had a connection day one, say, who was just as loving towards me like Harsh were to Roshali and vice versa, then I wouldn't have chosen money.
Right. Okay. So, who is your favorite couple today, or who do you think is the realest couple today?
Harsh and Roshali.
Okay.
मतलब देवांग देवांगे नहीं obviously, but
Mm-hmm.
उनके अलावा हर्ष रोशानी.
Okay. And one Splitsvilla secret that we don't know yet, क्योंकि बहुत podcasts आ चुके हैं, बहुत interviews आ चुके हैं, but one thing that we still don't know.
That the reality that you think you know is not the reality, because you see these contestants only for 1 hour and in their vlogs. So it is a perception put in front of you. The off-camera
Right.
reality is different. People who fight online actually call each other and laugh about it and say, ज्यादा तो नहीं बोल दिया, बुरा तो नहीं लग गया, तू जानता है ना मैंने क्यों बोला. So that's
Okay,
also
ठीक
a
है.
thing.
I think जिसको समझना था वो समझ गया. Okay.
Yeah.
So, before I let you go, I need you to tell us कि जनता जूरी पे क्या हुआ था? What was the fight about? What actually happened between everybody over there? Shivit, Digvijay, the whole push incident that happened.
They एक तो I hate it how my face has a lot of subtitles and I don't even realize, and oh god. So yeah, coming back to what happened, nothing. I think it was a stunt and a successful one because we are talking about it.
Hmm.
And I don't think it was absolutely unnecessary. कुछ बाती हो रही थी, people were poking each other. पोक करते करते शिविर ने धक्का मार दिया, उन्होंने गाली स्टार्ट कर दी. एंड yeah, a lot of it was for the public eye, because I feel कि अगर तुम्हें कहीं से जाना होता है तुम उठ के चले जाते हो.
Hmm.
You don't yell कि मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, and then wait for somebody to stop you.
Hmm.
If you wanna fight with somebody because I have seen street fights happen. मैं पूर्णिया से हूँ, बिहार से, हमारे सामने लड़ाइयाँ होती थी, तो मुझे पता है कि ये fights
Yes.
कैसी होती है, because I've grown in that culture, you know, gangs of Wasseypur वाला culture देखा है मैंने. So I feel like if somebody wants to actually fight and किसी को पीटना या पिटवाना होता है ना, और अगर तुम फोन करो कि भाई बंदे लेके आ, इसको मारना है आज, तो तुम चुपचाप से जाकर के ये बातें करते हो कि भाई इसको ना बंदे लेके आ, इसको मारना है. You won't like yell about it in front of 20 people and media and the production people कि भाई इसको लेके आ, इसको मैं मारूंगा, इसको मैं दिखा दूंगा, and then somebody is snatching phone from your hand and you are still yelling भाई मैं इसको मारूंगा. He lives 2 houses away from you. Go and मारो. I felt like a lot of it was just to, you know, also gather the public eye. But yeah, the push was unnecessary and the fight was stupid and not required. I'm criticizing it.
Okay, good. So, उस time पे we saw like your dynamic with Akriti and Jashwant was slightly sour, but how is it now? Have you all sorted out everything? Are you guys on good terms now? I love your expression.
Oh, God.
You don't even have to answer most of these questions. वो बस आ जाता है.
Now you know why people like me and don't like me at the same time. So, जनता जूरी के बाद जो हुआ एंड देन हम जब इस पार्टी में मिले थे, तो मैंने अपने लाइव्स में भी, इंटरव्यूज में भी आफ्टर जनता जूरी यही बोला कि मेरे अंदर जो भड़ास थी वो मैंने निकाल दिया है. आई कांट कैरी हेटरेड, so now I'm okay. I'm civil. फिर हम वो स्प्लिट्स की पार्टी में पहुंचे एंड पार्टी के नीचे कुछ इंटरव्यूज हुए थे, मुझे नहीं पता था तब तक. हम ऊपर पहुंचे पार्टी में, मुझे आकृति मिली, तो आई हग्ड हर एंड आई सेड सो सॉरी मैन फॉर व्हाटएवर आई येल्ड एट टाइम्स. तूने मेरे बारे में जो साक्षी के पॉडकास्ट में बोला मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. आई वाज वेरी हर्ट. दैट इज व्हाई आई गॉट सो मैड एट यू एंड आई सेड आई एम सो सॉरी etc. So like any normal person, I expected her to say the same. I'm also very sorry, I've spread rumors about you. She just looked me dead in the eye and said nothing. So then I was like, fine, ठीक है. And I was too drunk to like, you know, care about it anymore. मेरे मन में गिल्ट था and मेरे को था कि मैं अपोलोजाइज करूं. मैंने कर दिया और मैं इस उम्मीद में नहीं करती हूँ कि सामने वाला भी करेगा. आई एम यूजुअली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट ओनली. तो कुछ अच्छा हो जाए तो ये मेरे लिए सरप्राइज है, नहीं हो तो मैं तो तैयार ही थी. फिर जब मैं वापस आती हूँ तो मैं इंटरव्यूज देखती हूँ एंड शी इज सेइंग स्टफ लाइक वो तो हमसे डर के उसने पैसे ले लिया, हमसे डर गई फॉर व्हाट डूड. यू आर आल्सो देयर. वहीं पहुंच के मैं भी compete करके वहीं पे पहुंची हूँ. लाइक तुम भी वही हो, हम भी वही है. डर गए फॉर व्हाट? and then saying stuff like she lied, वो हमसे डर गई, उसको नहीं जरूरत थी, उसको पता था कि वो हमारे खिलाफ नहीं जीतेगी. Not once has she appreciated me for anything. Like फिनाले वाले दिन she was telling me तुमने सही किया, तुमने बहुत सही किया. And outside, मैं सिर्फ आकृति की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, others also. A lot of people are telling me कि तुमने ये किया वो किया. Not a single person appreciated my journey. Nobody congratulated me on my wins. Nobody. मैंने फिनाले का एपिसोड देखा ना, अब लोगों से पूछ रहे थे who do you want कि कौन जीते. People were saying हर्षशाली जीते, people were saying जश आकृति जीते, people were saying दिग्विजय जीते. Nobody once said दिग्विजय कशिश जीते या कशिश जीते. कशिश का नाम तो कहीं था ही नहीं, कहीं नहीं था. Nobody picked Kashish. Now if Kashish picks Kashish, so everybody has a problem with that.
Right.
So no, I don't think everybody is fine. I tried to make it civil, but उसके सामने से मुझे वैसा कुछ नहीं मिला, तो अब मैं ठीक हूँ, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I mean, I will treat Akriti with the same respect or attention that I will treat Arbaz.
Okay. All right. So those are all my questions, Kashish. Thank you so much for being honest like you always are. And it was so great talking to you. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.